Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to be talking about one of my favorite credit cards suited for travel. This is going to be the Venture X card. We're going to be doing a full review on this card, the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about this card, and should you even get it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, because we're almost at 10 subscribers, so let's go. And guys, if you want this card, I'll put it down below. I do have a little referral link, but only get the card if actually you're gonna benefit off it. So guys, check it out down below, and guys, let's jump into this here. So we're gonna be doing a Venture X credit card review. So this is a Capital One card. So what is this card? So this is a travel credit card. This card is suited for people that want to travel, and let me explain to you why. Right off the get-go, you guys are going to be getting a ton of fantastic bonuses. You're going to be getting miles and annual travel credits. So if you guys spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening this card, you guys will get 75,000 miles, which is the equivalent to about $750 for travel, which is really good. The next thing you guys get is 10,000 miles per year, so that equates to about $100 per year in free travel. Now, I am actually covering myself up. You guys also get a $300 annual travel credit, which is absolutely fantastic, and you only get that credit when you book through Capital One. So if you book through Chase, or even just like other third-party sites, you don't get the travel credit. You have to book through the Capital One travel to get the $300 per year credit. More importantly, you guys also get $120 for TSA PreCheck, which is literally the coolest thing about going to the airport, is bypassing the lines. Me and my wife used this last year, and it was awesome. We were in Orlando. There was a 45-minute wait for most people, and we just went right past everyone. So it's absolutely fantastic. $120 per year. Now, how you actually go about doing that is you have to set an appointment with the TSA PreCheck, and then they do background check and all that stuff before your flight. You can't, I don't think you can do it at the airport, but you might be able to anyways. All right, the next thing, more importantly, you guys get a ton of miles for every purchase that you guys make. So let's make myself just a tad smaller so you guys can see. So you guys get 10 times back on hotels and rental cars, which is sweet. So if you spend $1,000 on a hotel, you guys can expect to get $100 back in travel credit or in miles, which is really nice. More importantly, you guys get 5 times back on flights and vacation rentals, which is cool. So, if you spend $1,000, you can expect, about $50, back, which is nice. The next thing here is the double miles on everything. So even if you spend money at the gas station or whatever it may be, you guys get miles on every single purchase. So you'll always be able to get miles, which is really nice. So the thing about this card here is there is an annual fee. This card here has a $395 annual fee, which is really nice. And the APR is high, but what credit card isn't high? Anywhere from 19 to 29%. And you do have to have pretty good credit to get this card. So this here was how much money I got back last year, and this does not include the travel credits. So you guys know you get $300 per year. So add 300 and then add another $100 for the annual anniversary miles. So you guys can expect, if you guys take 1 to 2 vacations per year, to get about $1,500 in travel credit. And this does not include the 75,000 miles you get. So for me, looking at this card, I am willing to pay the $395 because the reward value more than doubles it. Now, obviously, this card is suited for travelers. So let's move on to the next one. So the Venture X card is ideal for frequent travelers who want to maximize rewards on travel purchases and enjoy premium benefits. There's a bunch of benefits that we didn't even cover, like lounge access. You guys get some purchase protection. You guys get travel insurance. You guys get car rental insurance. So if you have any damage to your car, you don't have to pay. There's a ton of great rewards that this card offers, not just travel. But more importantly here, they do offer a generous point system on offering high rewards on flights, hotels, rental cars. It suits those who frequently travel. The card also provides valuable books or perks like airport lounge access, annual travel credits, and no foreign transaction fees. So if you guys travel to Europe or Rome or wherever, sometimes they will charge foreign transaction fees. So this one, you guys don't have to even worry about it, making it attractive for international travelers. Additionally, its benefits outweigh the annual fee for those who spend heavily on travel or seek luxury travel experience while earning rewards for everyday purchases. So the biggest thing about this card here that I do want to talk about is this card is suited for those who travel. If you guys don't travel, obviously this card's not going to be the best option for you. You're going to want a cashback card. So the next video will actually talk about the best cashback card that I have. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And for me, I love this card. I think it's 100% worth it. And I get a lot of value out of it. But obviously, I travel anywhere from 2 to 3 times per year, going on flights, booking hotels. So I'm willing to pay the $395. So if you guys want this card, click that link down below. I'll see you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And take care, everyone.